All right, got more signs going up. Got the one by the road hanging now. Walk out here and see that. All right, looks like we are getting the restaurant sign put up right now, guys. Look at that monster. You're gonna be able to see that from a long ways off. Mercy's got to go dusting it off.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
What do you think there, Drake?
It's big. It's big, but then again, at the Drake Hotel, size doesn't matter.
Well, if it didn't matter, we'd have a small sign.
Well, we do have a small sign.
Oh, that's right.
They up earlier.
Oh, okay, we got a little bit of everything here at the Drake.
Yeah,
We got them big, small, in between.
Yeah, we got the girthy ones. We got the skinny ones.
We got a girthy sign.
We got all
skinny.
the signs you need.
Yeah. Can't wait for this all to be lit up.
Yeah.
There tonight, Joey's saying he might get them wired in so we can get lit up out here. Let everybody know where we're at.
That's. Is that our table?
That's our biscuit table. You're gonna step all over our biscuit table, man.
My biscuits are burning.
Oh, here we go. Whatever it takes, right? Not a small task. Roji's on it. He's gonna. He's a support
I'm
team.
on it.
He's a support team here.
You know, if we can get half our employees as good as this guy, as good as Roji here, we're gonna do all right here.
Yeah. Man, I hope they don't burn that down while they're welding up there. There's the sparks are starting to fly.
That little frame is gonna be real good.
That's pretty scary stuff.
Yeah.
One little spark come on that sign, it's like the Hindenburg. Hey guys, don't Hindenburg it.
Yeah, don't burn it. These guys are so upset. They're up here
Risking their
lives, and we're down here laughing and making jokes. Hey guys, the lighting of the signage, man. This is something. Look at the light on our face right here.
Super bright.
Why are we so lit up here on this camera at night?
I'm glowing.
Yeah, look at this. I'm going to show you why. Check these signs out, guys. Oh my gosh. That is a lit up entry sign, guys. Look at this one over here. There we go. Looking sharp. Oh, wait a minute. Got to show you guys this one on the road.
This is the reveal. This is a live reaction. Put it on your face before you turn around. Put the camera on your face.
Whoa! Check it out, guys. That is one hell of a sign right there. Looks good. Everybody's gonna know where we are with these signs, guys. What do you think, Drake?
I love it.
I think the electric bill's gonna go up just from the signs, though.
Be fine, be fine. It's only money.
Yeah. What do you think there, hon?
Oh, Papi.
You're in picture mode.
Oh, Papi, this is awesome.
There you have it, guys. Officially, we're all lit up. Everybody should know where we're at out here. 544 Don Wico Avenue. Everybody's asking, where are you located? That's where we're located. 544 Don Wico Avenue, where all these bright signs are. You can't miss us, guys. You know what's going to happen? What's going to happen is, it used to be like, where are you located, guys? We'd be like, well, we're next to the red planet. Now everybody's gonna be like, where's the red planet? Oh, it's over there next to the Drake.
To the Drake. Yeah.
because these signs are undoubtedly it looks like a circus out here with this thing. It's lit up. It's lit up like fireworks. Matter of fact, tonight is the fireworks show over in Clark. I don't see anything getting fired off right now. They're shooting fireworks off tonight over the mall, SM Mall, which is pretty much across the street from us at a little bit of an angle there. But I don't know why they're firing off fireworks tonight. I thought it was New Year's Eve. They normally do that. I've heard several reasons why, but hold on. There's some fireworks right there. But they do it every year this way, I'm told. A day before the New Year's, they'll have a fireworks display at SM Mall.
Might be that the mall is actually closed for New Year's, so they do it today.
Instead.
Then everybody gets the day off with their family tomorrow.
Bring in the New Year prematurely.
I've always been a little premature.
I wasn't going to say nothing like that. Come on. That's it. You know, we like to throw jokes around.
Oh, I'm
here.
sorry, immature. That's what they always tell me. Immature. Everyone says I'm a little immature.
What's going on, everybody?
Hello.
It is New Year's Eve, and we are going to feast. Check this out, guys. We're over at Drake's, and family's here, friends. It's time to eat, to bring in the new year with a big meal. What do you think about it, Drake?
I'm kind of disappointed.
Are you?
Yeah. Not.
All right,
I'm so ready to dig into this.
let's see what we got. Check it out. First of all, let's go to this ham. Oh my goodness. We are putting the ham together here. We got the pineapple on top, the cherries even going on. Glazed ham. We got some Filipino classics here. We got some pancit. Oh man, I can't wait to dig into that pancit.
I know, me too.
Some lumpia Shanghai. And what do we have back here, Frank?
What is that, Frank?
Chicken fingers?
Fried chicken.
We got two different pancits, or is that just a backup? Oh, there's the real pan right here. Yeah. And you know what Drake said? If you're coming over tonight, you got to make the stuffing. He didn't get enough stuffing on Thanksgiving. So we made a pan of stuffing. It'll go good with whatever.
Anything.
We'll just eat it by itself.
Yeah.
We got some cordon bleu. Oh my goodness. Check this
It's
out.
very good. I tried.
Hazel did some cordon bleu up, and Frank, you said you tried it?
I did.
You cheater.
I am.
And again, back to Thanksgiving, didn't get enough the green bean casserole, so we did some of that. It almost smells like Thanksgiving in here.
Almost.
On New Year's.
Yeah. I think that we have some mashed potatoes in the back they forgot to bring
Oh,
out.
the mashed potatoes are coming out.
So we'll get that in a minute.
Desserts, oh my goodness, look at this. We got some mango, looks like some sticky rice. Got some mango sticky rice, and then we have some Maja Blanca maybe?
Is Maja Blanca? No. It's
Peach mango.
Oh, peach mango.
Peach mango graham.
That is, I'm gonna eat that for sure.
me.
Aaron always had fruit salad.
Do what?
Fruit salad.
Fruit salad as well. And then we got this s'mores cake that we love from the mall. I forget the name of that place. Where you get that?
Caramia.
Oh, you remember it. These are our favorite cakes from that place over there in the mall. Delicious. They've done everything up right here, guys. Check it out. We've got a fruit platter here. Got a watermelon even going on. What a showpiece that is.
Check
And
out
over
what
here on the
Frank
table, Frank did it up, man. He's got the cheese platter and meat platters going on. Oh my goodness.
CJ,
What do
what
you
do you
think?
have to say?
What do you think, CJ?
Today.
I'm making this at home.
Oh, you're making a little platter of your own. I see.
Sing? Are we gonna sing?
Are you gonna sing our song?
Wake up, it will be a good day.
All right. Hey, CJ's a fan. He's always singing our intro song. That was a good cue, buddy. I'm glad that worked. I don't have to do it another take. All right.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, everybody. Here's
Hey everybody, and baby Alan, I know you're still watching at home, watching Papa on the YouTube, so I want to say Happy New Year, love you very much, but also want to give another shout out to Carson, Colston, Oliver, Hannah, Madison, Courtney, and Skylar, and yes, that is a lot of names to remember, but I still remember.
You
Love
didn't,
guys
you didn't
very
forget
much.
anybody.
I didn't forget. No, those were just my kids and stuff. That's the grandbabies.
Oh, okay, grandbabies.
That's
there
just
you
the
go.
grandbabies.
Yeah, the list could go on
The
and
list
on,
could go
right?
on and on. My dad, my sister, my 2 sons, my daughter, all of them. So I love you guys. Wish you were here.
Happy New Year.
Are you trying to snap your fingers?
That is the Korean heart. It's a
Oh,
little heart.
that's
It means I love you.
Oh, that's the little heart symbol.
Yeah.
I got you. I got you. All right.
Now you know.
So here's the whole crew. That's a McDonald's sign. Good one, Frank.
I don't know. Did everybody see this?
No, we got this set up right here for picture taking. Beautiful. What a deal right here.
2023.
We got it all set up for the photos, photo moments here. Bringing in the new year
I
right.
think it's the year of the Drake.
The year of the Drake. You know what? Sometimes
Sometimes the best just won't do.
just won't do. So that's what you got to deal with, right?
That's what you gotta do.
All right, guys, off to eat. We're gonna eat now. You can't hold it. Can't hold back anymore. Yeah, the meat and cheese tray is calling my name here. Oh my goodness. Frank did a good job with this. Nice display. And we got the candy. Or you're liking the candy here, aren't you, buddy? You like candy? Me too. When I was your age, I loved candy. Then all my teeth rotted out. I had to get a bunch of fillings. All right, guys, we had a big, giant meal. We could hardly move. We're outside. Listen to the fireworks, everybody.
We can see them.
I'm not
We
sure.
can hear them.
I'm not sure if my watch is off or their watch is off, but the fireworks are happening all around us out here. And I've got 3 minutes till midnight here. Oh, 2 minutes, like Iron Maiden. 2 minutes to midnight. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Drake's bringing it on. Yay! We're gonna join in with the festivities now. Everybody seems to be lighting off the fireworks. Let's do it. Let's do it. It's close enough.
Close enough.
Is this thing gonna blow up in a minute or what? Is that the extent of that?
Happy New Year.
That's it.
Happy New Year.
Don't put my eye out. Terrible sparkler. I like snakes and sparklers.
Liberty.
Snakes and sparklers are my favorite. Heard that quote from somewhere. Yours petered out.
See if I get a little more.
Yeah, you got to get that lit up. Oh, there we go. There you go. You got a good one. Don't go too far down on there. Go on the tip. It's going to explode. You just put yours out.
Why is that?
Oh man.
All right.
I tell you what, guys, these fireworks, the best China can offer, like my Haima.
Right?
Sometimes the best just won't do.
That's right. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year. Many blessings. to
Hope
all of
everybody
you.
has a great New Year this year.
Thank
Oh, you got a new lit? Thanks, Frank. Don't catch your hair on fire with that. Don't let the hairspray catch on fire.
Happy New Year's, everybody.
Happy New Year. Whoa, good. Spark in my eyeball. It's it. It's official. Yeah. It's official.
Happy 2023!
2023 is here.
Happy New Year!
Woo! Oh, we got some fireworks finally. There we go. I knew we'd get some fireworks. Now it's happening.
Wow, that's happy.
There we go.
Yay!
There we go.
Yay! 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 Yay!
That sounds like a sick animal.
How's that go, TikTok? One more time.
Do it again. Do it again. Hooray!
Yeah, go!
Hooray! Hooray!
Show that. Look.
Oh, that's better. It's like a sick cow. Happy New Year! I think a lot of people just take the mufflers off their motorcycles and go out in the streets and rev them up. Yeah. Yeah, right.
Look at that one. Look at that one.
Oh, bottle rocket.
Here in the Philippines, they call it a red horse rocket.
A red horse rocket?
Yeah, using a red horse bottle.
That's it.
Be careful.
Here comes a bike. Happy New Year! Watch out for that speed bump.
Look at it.
TikTok almost caught a free ride.
Yeah. Wouldn't be the first.
Oh, there we go. Wouldn't be the first. Don't know which way to turn. Which way? Oh, they're over here. No, they're over there. No, they're over here. Oh, here he's coming back. He's coming back. Watch out, watch out. Yay! All right, we got a few fireworks over here now. Oh, they're everywhere. They're back here. They're everywhere. Over here now. Oh, that was a good one. Get excited here. Mercy really loves her fireworks.